God are those who are happy all the time. God are those who are happy all the times. Either they have the money or not. Either they are on the post or not. Either they are the most beauty of the earth or not. But they are always in happy mode. In happy mode, always the world comes for that is called the bliss. Bliss definition is one who is always in happy mode, not only outside, inside. Always in happy. Bliss. Those who are blessed are blessed. Those who are blessed are blessed. You say na blessings. Blessings come to one who goes on the Godam journey. We'll say Om. Today's question is, it has been mentioned in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, there is neither this world nor the world beyond, nor happiness for the one who doubts. Kindly explain this. What we see, the existence, Krishna saying in Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, that there is neither this world nor the world beyond. Nor the happiness for the one who doubts. Means one who is not happy. For him, the world today and world beyond. Beyond means gone. Behind. He is not understanding, who is not happy, what this world is. Not understanding the life passing through today is passing through for many lives before this. If you do not understand the life you had gone through, the stations you had traveled through, life through the bodies, different bodies, millions of bodies. So those millions of bodies that you have traveled through beyond, before today. And what today? So neither this world nor the world beyond. Who doubts that no, there is nothing like 84 lakh species that I had been the insect or rock or tree or bird or animal. No, I am human being. So how can I be the dog or bird or insect? He doubts. He doubts. And today also, what is in present said that it is all based on your karmas for your next station. As per your karmas today, you will get the next station. He doubts. And that doubt of past and today is only the reason that you are not happy. Because if you find that all that life you had gone through before today, then automatically the moment you come to know, you face what you have today, this was the somewhere donkey face before this birth. If you ask the photographer to put on your body, removing your neck, which he can do with the technology today, he can put any type of face, the dog face, the horse face, the bird, the sparrow or crow, the cockroach or insect, and he can make you like a rock formation or a tree formation. And today photo, if with their photo, there are 5 photos are kept, like we have read in the Darwin theory of evolutions during your science study, that their theory of evolution, they shown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. That one who was like animal, then like this, getting up and becoming the human being. Means you and me, human being, like this. 5, 6 photos. You remember in your school time, those who had studied in NCRT was there, other syllabus I do not know. But in NCRT and Darwin theory is taught everywhere. So likewise, if you put the same photographs, asking the photographer, because you had paid so much amount to photographer for making the album for your marriage, receptions, birthday parties, this thing, that thing. So if you spend some amount, because you always say me, tell us to do something. You always say me, tell us to do something. So sometime now I started saying you to do something. That if you give to the photographer and tell him the faces, the worst faces we don't like, which you don't like, then I don't like lion. Put the lion face. I don't like donkey. Generally nobody likes donkey. So put the donkey face. You don't like any cockroach, you don't like. No, nobody likes. So put the cockroach face. And the bottom same dress will remain. Because you should know that it is you. And these are past births. Beyond. Whatever. What is today He is the present, the developed form. And in the future, you can cut this photograph, ask him to make the descending order and the ascending order. This side also. Whichever you prefer. You put some faces of Buddha, Krishna, Rama, Jesus, Guru Nanak, whatever. You cannot be the same, but you can be like them. We tell God to know Ibrahim, the Buddha, the Mahavira, the Jesus, Guru Nanaka, Ram Paramahansa, Sai Baba, Mirabai, Sajobai, Lallabai, Kabir, Farid, Sukrat, Lao Tse. We tell them as God. So put any face, whichever you prefer. Any prefer. Here you put the best face you want. I want to be like this. I want to be like that. Or same these photos, parallel after them, because first I will tell you to go for be the God, to be in their category. Next step. This is next. And put the same photo of that type or other animal, bird, insect at that point. And put in frame and put in your drawing room or wherever you sit more. But you have wasted much and more amount on the asking and begging from the God, the materialistic, the deadly things. Now ask God to be the God. See the faces of God, and below your pant, shirt, kurta, pajama, sari, suit, whatever. Or see the left side, you're beyond. Go this side. Which you want. If you continue with this sadhana, you always say that tell us to do something. So just keep on looking into it. And if you don't want to put in drawing room, so that others should also get the message, what is this? You feel shame. Better put in some corner, not the problem. Because one day you will put in drawing room also. I know it. No doubt in your home people are not together and they will tell you, are you fool? What you are doing? So better put for yourself somewhere in the corner. Put under the cloth in your office or somewhere. Otherwise keep somewhere, and sometimes like when you go for, I am going on beach or in garden or somewhere, you were going earlier to hotel or somewhere. Now see, I am coming after half an hour. So when you go and in the corner somewhere, in the garden somewhere, open that photo and sit with that photo. If you want to be happy, not happy for the moment, because your money can give you happiness for the moments. Your post, whatever you may be, the Prime Minister, Governor, star, richest people of the world, Bill Gates, Ambani, Tata, Birla, whatever you may be on the earth, you cannot be happy all the time. But when you go into this puja, I say, no, the higher puja, because many people say, no, we had come with you and puja is somewhere, because big puja. Now I am telling the biggest puja. Many photos he had kept for all the gods. Now I want the God face and your body. Then also the animal face and your body. Birds and insects face and your body. Trees face and your body. Rock face and your body. Spend some money for yourself, not for the God, in the name of the God. No. Spend for yourself. Sit in front of them photos whenever you have the time, wherever you have the time. Keep in your purse also, not the problem. Small postcard size also can come. Whenever you feel free, wherever you are, just put that photo small and sit. This is past or future, in between next step or God. God home, donkey, bird, insects, that same again, 84 lakh. That is your choice. By going into this finance, which people go, Rishi Muni went on Himalaya. I am telling you to go anywhere, wherever you sit, that will become Himalaya. And let me tell you, it will be a biggest finance than the Himalaya. You are sitting in restaurant, Costa coffee. Sit in corner table. Don't let the people not say what you are doing in the corner and see the photo. Because this is your personal. First, you have to clear yourself that I want to be God now. I want to go to God home. When you are certain, then you can open so that people, when they ask, you can tell them, this is what. That happiness for the moments can come from your Mayavi, the deadly world. Even you become the richest man of the world, you cannot be happy all the time. Even you go to the topmost chair of the world, you can never be happy all the time. Let it be your face, the best face of the world, the beauty of the world. Miss Universe, Mr. Universe of the world. No happy all the time. You can check them, those who are. Internet gives so many messages now. Your internet makes Google, God had given Google, make the world so close to get you the information and to strike on your mind without getting into the experience of to be the richest. Why I take these all names? Why I'll take this one? Because this is the last, no, you want to be Prime Minister or President of country, if you want to be a leader, you want to be some star, or you want to be the richest man. What you would like to go? On the top chairs, richest man, or the beautiful face, stars, stardom. That's why I take these names. So, you would like to be the post, if you want, to the president of the country, prime minister of the country. The highest posts are this only. If I am telling these posts, means all posts come now. Collector, commissioner, general, whatever the posts come below that. Because they are the main top. Any chair someone wants, the respect or the money, highest. We want to be the same richest man. Or you want the big star, yes, I want to be Shah Rukh Khan or Krishna Kapoor, whatever name today. God are those who are happy all the time. God are those who are happy all the times. Either they have the money or not. Either they are on the post or not. Either they are the most beauty of the earth or not. But they are always in happy mode. In happy mode, always the world comes for that is called the bliss. Bliss definition is one who is always in happy mode. Not only outside, inside. Always in happy. Bliss. Those who are blessed are blissed. Those who are blissed are blessed. You say na, blessings. Blessings come to one who goes on the Godom journey. There is no blessing for the materialistic people. Remember it. No one can bless for the monetary world. It is your karmas, and your desires that will be given to you next birth. That blessing comes only from you for the materialistic world. No one can bless you for the materialistic thing. And we always want the blessing from someone for the materialistic world. That let the money get increased or some post should come. Something always you ask for. We always kneel down in front of somebody just to get blessed. That our business should run. Our post, we should get higher promotions. Or we should get marriages there. And this thing and that thing. This is all Maya. Maya cannot be blessed. Maya is your karma, which you have to just go ahead, exhausting all. It is all what you are cutting today is your previous birth karma. And previous birth karmas are worst. Always. Even for Buddha, Mahavir, Jesus, Ibrahim, Guru Nanak, Ram, Paramahansa, Sai, Meera, Sahajo, Lalla, Socrates, Lao Tse, these all people were also all having karmas of their previous birth cycle. That's why they took the birth. All are avatar by birth. We all are God by birth. Not only Rama and Krishna. But because of returning to the home from where we started, you got your God name again. Otherwise, you are not God today. Because God is one who is happy all the time in shortest definition, shortest meaning. If your happiness breaks anywhere, anything, you are not yet in the status of God. Simple. Where we are, calculate yourself where you are. Someone asks me where I am, calculate yourself. I have given you the thermometer. If you have thermometer, know the measurement, no need of asking where I am. Just put in mouth and take what is the temperature. I had given you the temperature, very simplest. Check your happiness. If happiness remains continuously all the time, 24 hours into days, into months, into years, not that for a minute or 2 minutes or hour or 2 hours or 24 hours, that today you got the jackpot lottery or business, so you are happy today. Today your complete money had gone, blasted. Your factory burned today, blasted. Are you not happy? Your factory is blasted, money is gone. Today, tragedy has come. Are you not happy? Father old age will okay. Son is dead, young son. Are you not happy? Very difficult, no? To be God face. But many sons are dying every day. You are happy? Many sons are dying. You are happy by even their sons are dying. Because your son dies, then only problem have. Many fathers are dying every day. Your father dies, you make sadness. Why? Was your father permanent? Was he before? Will he be after? Did you make your father? Did you make your child? Who are you? Had you made your body? Who are you? First you know yourself. Then you know your children. The moment you know yourself, you will come to know about everybody, everything on this planet, not in this planet, the whole universe. Not universe, beyond the universe, not beyond, forward. What is there all around? Knowing yourself is knowing everything. This is only the problem. You always want to know about others. You never thought of knowing yourself. And happiness lies in you. Happiness is not coming from others. You always make the reason for not happy because of my son, because of my daughter, because of my parents, because of my husband, because of my wife, because of my body health, because of my business, because of my job, because of this country, because of this minister, because of this, because of that. Nothing can make you disturbed or sad. Know yourself. Who are you? That is what you are not understanding. I know. This small thing you are not understanding. Very small. Know yourself. Otherwise, you can never be happy. Why you want money? Why you want money? You never think money for others. You think money for you. Why you want the post? You never think post for others. Why you want your children to be happy? Why you want your home should be there? Why? Not for others. Their home should be there for them. Why you want to make the bank balance to the extreme? Even you have want more and more and more and more. Why you don't think those who are not having food? Why you want more and more and more? Who are you? Have ever you confirmed yourself? Who are you? The moment you come to know who are you, over. Happy in all the moments. No rushing for the materialistic world. You will run for the godly world. You will not run after the materialistic one. Not at all. And you will run only for the godly world. The first next faces which I said, that faces you will always see. I want this one. These faces, to them we say the God, Abraham, Buddha, Mahavir, Jesus, Muhammad, Kabir, Farid, Guru Nanak, Baba, Sai Baba, Ram Paramahansa, Sai Meera Bhai, Sahajo Bhai, Lalla Bhai, Sukrat, Laos. What these people did? What they did? Why Buddha, Mahavir are living in the palaces, left immediately the palaces? Why? Why Meera left the palace? Others were not having palace, but still they left everything of this materialistic, the Mayavi, the deadly world. Why? Even they were relaxed in begging than to go for the materialistic world. What was the reason made Buddha and Mahavir to come out of the palaces? Why? Even he would have been the unopposed prime minister at that time. Buddha's son, Sudrodhan's son, Buddha, which is a Siddhartha Gautam. Vardhaman, the Mahavira, would have been there as a king. Meera would have been like a queen in the palace. Why? Why the people could not go for the materialistic, the deadly world, for the money as you are running after, for the post as you are running after, for the beauties as you are running after? Why? Because they come to know about themselves that we are not that, we are something else. So came to know, I am not that which I am looking in the mirror. There is something beyond this face. And when they went into the beyond, they came to know about the next step. Next step, they said, now God, that's all. So they became thirsty and hungry for the God, those who came before them. Before them. Like Abraham, Buddha, Mahavira looked into Rama, Krishna, exemplary. And then Jesus looked into the Buddha, Mahavira and all. Muhammad looked into the Jesus, Buddha, Mahavir, Ramakrishna. Guru Nanak Deva looked into all this. And likewise, so on. They went into, to get deep into the God's home journey, and they became God. Because if you are thirsty and hungry for your doctorate, you are getting sometimes the doctor degree, admission and doctor degree. Those who are thinking of becoming engineer, then only they get the admission and become the engineers. Those who are thinking of becoming businessman, then only they become businessmen, get into the work. If you are not thinking of the God, how can you study or just go for that way, whatever the way? Unless you want to be the God, the next stage, what is said, how can you study deep within, and unless you go to the God home journey, you cannot be happy all the time. No. And if you doubt, as Krishna is saying, Lord Krishna, the God Krishna is saying in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, if you doubt, okay, no problem. You die and you will come to know, let it be. You are the intellectual man on this earth. Don't worry. The moment you die, you just stop your death. Nobody could stop. Many came here and talked about much and more. There is no God. There is no God. There is no God. But there is a supreme power. No one can make that. Even your computer sometimes fails. That thumb impression of anybody is not matching in the world. There is no power. No power. Can you make the photograph of yours? No face is matching to others. Not only face, even internal parts are not matching. Very difficult task. Who is that one? That one is not one. You are also God. Those who came from the home, locked the door, auto on control. Those who went back are controlling from there, and those who are left here are just roaming here and there, wandering here and there, becoming animal, bird, insect, and then coming to the human birth, and then again forgetting or remembering and going back. That's all. It is like some family goes all together, let us go. All are going for 5-7 days to Kashmir, locking the home. And locking the home, they kept the things open, fridge, let fridge open, things to not get rotten. So likewise, God with all his family came on this earth. Father came with the earth, all that children, those who were produced by him only, all were like the same. They came to this earth. And Father had gone back, and few children gone left over a year, and all of us in one birth or other birth have to go back to the home, God home, the Father home. Because the moment he went and opened the door, he is sitting at the home, powers are on, everything is going on, auto mode. But he is there. Because even automatic machine, there is a one required. The whole process, the system, the complete universe is moving with the same power center. So there is a supreme power, we say. Supreme is what? When all the people of this world get together, is the supreme most. Those who are going back are God only. They are only those who came to know, those who are remembering that, hey, we are on the wrong track. We had been here, our home is not this. It is like something you forget and then immediately you remember and you just rush to that. So this is only you are going back to your home, your permanent home. Now you get it cleared here now and go back to your God home, make your journey here from, or go to the next. But your choice. Go into the cycle of birth and death, happiness and sadness. Go into this all 84 lakh species of death. It is all auto-controlled. It is not that God is making record, no next, making burden. He will be mad. Anyone will be mad making complete record manually. Google cannot bring everything manually, that from there he will be doing all that manually. Everything is auto. If he had given us, Google cannot move without that super Google. Cannot move one step. So that super Google had already fitted everything. So everything going as per the law. Sometimes some changes come, that only they make changes in that. Why the God makes, the Supreme makes the changes? That when I say Supreme, all those had gone there. I name all these, I am taking, before that there are many. So all just keep the changes to bring us back, But we are not at all getting to there. words, what they are saying. While on earth, when they got the knowledge that this is not our home where we are, this is like hotel, guest house, dharmshala, as per outside standard you have. If you are poor, it is like a dharmshala. If you are middle, you can have a guest house. Or if you are rich, you can have a 5-star hotel, big houses. So wherever you are, but you are temporary. You will come out even from the 5-star building, you will come out from your dharmshala or the hotel or the guest house, wherever you are. So this is what, if you doubt all of these things, if you doubt all these 84 lakh God and everything, no, you think you're something great. You think yourself more than the supreme power, which you are not here. Remember, you are not here. When you are here, you have to also follow the same thing what the supercomputer had made, which you have made. You have made, not that. You are God. But you are not God because you are not obeying your own rules and regulations. So the moment you obey your own rules and regulations, your God face appears. God face appears. And that God face had the topmost quality is always happy. Always happy in all the circumstances. Let you get the profit of the big amount or you get the loss of the big amount. Let anybody clap for you. Let anybody slap for you. Respect or the disrespect somebody, but take birth or somebody dies, all the same for you. As I said you that it may take 5 minutes for you if you are in Grahast ashram. Grahast means you are in the materialistic Mayavi family by birth, which you say the blood relations. Those who are staying with the blood relations, 5 minutes for them to come back if the happiness they are losing. If it goes beyond 5, you are not yet in the God home category. God home, I am telling you, not God home journey. On journey, it may exceed. You are on the journey. So not that still it is there. Why? No, you are on the journey. You have to repent. You have to repent means you have to think of why. If after 30 minutes I have come to the normal state, why not within 5 minutes? Why I have wept for 30 minutes? If after 30 minutes, after 3 days, I have to come to the normal state, why should I weep and die for the 3 days? And the 3 days will make that karma for you. Come to the next birth. So why? Why to make that karma? Suppose father died and I weep and make sad me for 1 hour or 2 hours or 6 hours. But after 6 hours, I am going to get the normal. If I don't take the food now, after 6 hours or next day I will take the food. Then why I had passed this much time? What was that period? In that did I blame the God? Or have I thought that I had brought this son or father or who had gone now? One who had given had taken back. He is going to take me back also. We will meet again. One who has given me the job had taken back. One who had given me the money he is taking back. I will do my karma if it is required for the Mayavi world, but I will not attach to the results of the karma. Whatever the result may be, I will do my best. That's all. Not attaching to the result. Not attaching to any of your result or the karma, but it does not mean detachment, because unless you think of result of some karma, you cannot do the karma even. Karmas are also being done on some result based, but attaching to the results will make a problem for you. Bad karma, because attachment to any karma is only going to take you away from your God home. So on God home journey when you are, the time will start reducing. The time will start reducing if you are on the God home journey. The guide to whom you are trusting, that trust should only be experienced If it is experienced, then only your love for the one guide who is taking you to the God home will increase, and that love only will become Shraddha and Bhakti one day. That I am on the right side, then you go blindly again. Like you became blind in the beginning at birth, which was complete blind. But now with the open eyes, you are getting into the blind game, because at last you have to be blind. You cannot keep your open till the last, step by step. No, at last you have to dive. You have to dive, blind jump. So this is what required. Unless you get it clear that all that, everything, whatever is said, is somewhere truth. Somewhere I am saying, because you enter in it and see the results, what is said there, are those results are matching with what you are experiencing. Because your experience cannot tell you wrong. I can say this water is sugary water, but you may have doubt. But when you drink it, then you say it is very sugary, really. So, unless you believe that this is sugary water, you will not take the glassy one. Unless you trust me and I tell you to taste it, you will not taste unless you have trust in me. You may think that sometimes poison may be there. So the moment you taste, now your taste is your experience. Now no need of trusting, no need of believing. But only believe is to just take the glass and just take it and see the results. So just taking the vachan, taking the sayings, getting into yourself, executing and then experiencing. If the results are same, then no need of, nothing is there, no doubt will come. And automatically if it keep on coming every day and many times in a day, one day you will see your trust will convert into the complete love, and complete love will be converting to the Shraddha, and Shraddha will be to the Bhakti. Bhakti means dissolving. Bhakti means I is lost. So where I is lost, God remains, and that is the happy all the time. All the time. But while on the journey, you will remain maximum happy. Maximum. Reaching to the God home will make you happy all the time, blissful. That is what we say, those who are God, we say all them, the Satchit Anand. Satchit Anand. It means they are conscious, the Chit, which is now connected to Sat. Sat means truth, the God. Remains always in Anand, the bliss. Sat Chit Anand. So this is what we have given. The noun you can say to those whom we say the God. They are because of Satchitanand. So the moment you understand this thing, what Shri Krishna is saying, what Lord Krishna is saying, what loving Krishna is saying, to us to come on the same route, to get the happiness all the time. And if you want the happiness all the time, then you have to just understand this thing, that there is neither this world nor the world beyond, nor happiness for the one who doubts. If you doubt that this is all story, Bhagas, egoist people never think about, and the people, those who are conditioned to the today's materialistic Mayavi deadly life, and those who are going on the wrong track. Wrong track means right from the birth they are just going in front of the idols, sitting, worshipping, and for 40, 50 years they are worshipping. Now if they are asked to just revert the game, just get to that point, like as I said you, instead of worship, do worship like this. Do you think that they will be doing? No. Their worship will be same, putting diya, agarbatti, some mantra, something. But just watching, sitting in the rest position, lying in the rest position, on the wall just watching the faces, all the faces of animal, donkey, and whatever birds, insects, rock, and here is the faces of God below the body, your dress, and then after the God in the head, advance, next, forward, then otherwise 84 like again, question mark, what do you want? So those people are doubting that this cannot be, we are right. They will be in the ego because they had been conditioned by birth. So they will not understand so easily that how to attain the happiness. Even they are not happy even after reciting. They are not happy even going to temple, mosque, church, gurdwaras. So there is something lagging behind. They are doubting. If they are not doubting, then they are not having that efficiency to move further. Either they are not somewhere crazy to get someone who can take them to the root of God. And if at all some guide comes in front, then also they are not putting their effort sometimes. And those who are putting there, move ahead. They just moves ahead on this God home journey. And God home journey is completely the real picture where only bliss remains. That is what said that there is neither this world nor the world beyond, nor happiness for the one who doubts. Who doubts? Who doubts that this all is the stories can never be happy. Or in reward you can say who is not happy is the doubtful about all the stories. All the stories he is doubtful about all the gods. All the gods. He said they were not God. If they are not God, then why to worship them? Because these all gods alike only gave this message. That these all were there, 84 lakh and this thing, that thing. If you don't believe in them, then why to worship them? And if you believe in them, follow their instructions. Experience yourself. The moment you experience yourself, you will see the lot of life colors, lot of life colors. Because bliss is not that single color. Bliss is also the multicolors. But in the multicolors, there is always the one remains blank. Multicolors keep on rotating, roaming around the one which is white. You know, as the rays from the sun are coming is white color. But when it comes on the earth, if it goes on the blue or red or what, it becomes the same. Like the plain water, put any color, it becomes the same. So this, as we read about reflection and refraction. Reflection and refraction. So whatever going somewhere, it reflects to your eyes the same. So it is what? You have to be white, ray. You are white. White is God. White is God. So just make yourself, burn yourself. Burn yourself. That is why the burning shed, we said that all Bhagwa cloth. People are wearing Bhagwa cloth means they are burning. They are burning their desires. And the yellow cloth means they are dead. They are dead people means they are blessed people. Blessed people. So any cloth is symbolizing. Putting the cloth is not that someone is on nirvana or kevalya. But it is just a symbolizing that this person is burning. But nowadays it is like a dress only. That one wants to be shown to the other, I am sent, just putting the dress. They are not at all interested in killing their all inside what is going on, the lust, anger, greed, ego and attachments. They always doubts, and even if they don't doubt, then also they are not putting their efforts to get to the God face. Not putting the best to it. People are dying at last, even in the attachment, greed. They are still in the lust, anger. So one has to understand the complete life story. What Krishna is saying, that you had not to doubt. If you doubt, you will remain sad always. Sad. So get out of this sadness. One has to go deep within, because sadness and happiness is coming from inside, not outside. Your happiness is not dependent on others. If happiness is not dependent on others, how the sadness can be dependent on others? But you think that it is coming from the outside. Happiness is not parasite. Happiness is not parasite. Parasite, those animals depending on others. Happiness is within. You have just to open the lock inside you, and you will be being happy all the time. Then whatever is going on, you will see that all the moments are blessed and blissful. Whatever is going on. So this is one have to understand. Unless you understand, you cannot move out of this death and birth cycle. These are all the saints, these are all the gods alike. Let it be Krishna, Rama, these are all Ibrahim, Buddha, Mahavir, Jesus. They all were shouting throughout their life. They were all teaching by love, by fatkar, by mar, that some should understand what actually is the fact. So when you understand this fact, that there is neither this world nor the world beyond, nor happiness for the one who doubts that there is no world beyond, who doubts there is nothing like now, nothing like, there is nothing like happiness. He does not know, who is not having any knowledge, because you do not know that what actually is the happiness. It is only the godly people know what is the happiness. You think happiness comes and goes. No. Happiness once comes cannot go. It is you who throws your happiness. It is you who is attaching to your happiness. Attachment to happiness will bring sadness. Opposite will come when you attach. Otherwise, sadness will also become happiness. Once there is only happiness, then sadness also becomes happiness. So, be in the equal form, to be in the God formation, you have to again and again get into the God's shoes. And you are the God. No one else. Only you have forgotten. You have been given the reminders. If you go with these reminders and make yourself to concentrate on this, one day you'll find you are not that which you were. You will be automatically and completely changed. You will not remain the same person of this world, but you will be the person of the other world, not this world. So this is the God Krishna sayings. Don't doubt everything what is said in all Upanishads, all that epics of these godly people. Whatever is there is said to you to just make your life blissful, to make your life success. No other ambition, no other any income or anything they were asking from the people. It was just to take you from this sad world to the godly world. That's why even they got so much of problems by the society. They were ready to accept that all problems, but they gave the message to the world to just stand up and walk. And those who were walking, they gave the run up. They became all the God giving the message. And those who accepted, executed, had no doubt about them, no doubt about that what they are saying, today they are in the garden. Those who not, they are here, you and me. Today if you understand, you will be back. So if you want to go back to your God home, don't doubt anything what is written. Just go ahead, but only check with the original epics which is written. There is something written side, but you can get recheck. You can make check with any epic you are going to read or listen with your master, so that you should not be somewhere miscommunicated, somewhere not in becoming doubtful. So better clear, vomit your mind completely to the master with whom you are going on the Gardam journey, so that anything, if you want, should get clear before getting into. Then only completely in happiness what is said. Then there is no doubt that the world beyond, there is no doubt completely everything will be happy for you, because you came to know, after knowing that you are not the father or the mother or the brother or the sister or the owner or the servant, nothing you are. And you are somewhere now connected inside with the Supreme. So the moment you understand that bliss moments, life will be so relaxful, enjoyable, happy all the time, and just make it the success this time. Don't go without making it a success. Try to make it complete in this birth and get to the garden and be happy. As said, be happy, then doubts are not there. It was, it is, and will remain. And then only you can achieve the target, and life will be a success.